Bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyaza ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani igama Remington Mpoka Swela Mswati lo mnandi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yeah. Yeah, on today's episode, Bafethu, we are looking at final, the AFCON. What a game, yo. First, congratulations to Senegal, Bafethu. Yeah. Yeah, we must give credit to where it's true.
Bong.
Yeah. This episode is powered by 22Bet. Bet responsibly. Betting is not for under 18s. Winners know when to quit.
Yeah,
to stop. Yes. Yeah, you use our promo code Fusion22. When you get onto the website is 22bet.com. Yeah, Baba.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Let's get into this episode, man.
Wow.
Yeah, guys, where can we start? Okay, let's start with the positives. People touch on Morocco and Ghana, but let's start with the positives. Senegal, man, what a team! I think when we were still analyzing when they were playing the knockout stages, earlier knockout stages, your quarterfinal series, we didn't give them anything. Who were so blinded by
Nigeria's performance. Yeah.
Now,
I think a big shout out to Senegal because I remember one of the videos. Guamena, bengababoni ukuthi kungaba country engayewina the game.
Yeah.
But you see, bona ukuthi by winning it's such a huge surprise in me. Surprise and but engikubonile ukuthi bebekhomba ukuthi bayifuna about type of thing. From the first minute about what they wanted to win it. They wanted it more than Morocco. Yes, they wanted to win it, and eventually they won it. So I'm happy for that. The fighting spirit as a team, I impressed Baba.
Yeah, that's true. What a way for Sadio Mane to end his career AFCON.
Yeah,
because he said that it's his last game for the AFCON.
Yeah.
So the best way to do it is to win the tournament. That's what it did. But let's touch on the things that happened in the game. First, the moments that were key, starting with the one for Senegal. Senegal did score earlier in the game. Goal was disallowed. Can you dissect more into that one?
Hey, Baba. ukuthi okwenzekayo kuleya game angazi ukuthi ngizothi kuhle noma kumbi, but the way the game was managed in terms of football, for me it was not right because Senegal did score, but the referee said it was not a goal, and without even check out VAR what happened. So I don't think Senegal was treated well in that game, but they continued abazange but ngoba urefu kanje, and then they stopped fighting. Now they continue to fight for so. Impressed, Baba. Impressed. Happy say Africa, actually. Say Africa's happy. We know Senegal. Happy.
Yeah. But honestly, it looked like Morocco will win it.
Yeah.
And they tried by all means to make it possible. Just didn't happen.
Yeah.
I want to mention the most controversial one. The one that is most talked about. the penalty that Morocco got. Dying minutes
of the game. but if you are honest and could make this over me, for me it does seem like it is a penalty. So I when anything wrong. What Peter because how he treated his Senegal situation. But for me that one was a penalty.
Yeah. It looked like a penalty.
Yeah.
Because the man reacted immediately after the guy.
Yes.
Looked like he was pulling.
Yeah. So that was a good decision.
Yeah.
The good penalty,
Yeah, you couldn't. It was a penalty. But what do you make of the drama that unfolded after?
I think I call this Tombele what Senegal did especially with sebathola penalty then Senegal abadlali abanye majority of them decide ukuthi bayaphuma bona baya ku-change room. Isithombe lesihle for our football si-Africa. Akuyona into lengiyibona ngathi kumele ngabe it's out there happening. Bengamele yendeke. Yes, it's unfortunate ukuthi yendekile, but ukwendeka kwayo, a big shout out to Sadio Mane ukuthi he was still on the pitch, akahambanga, and then he was able to call back abadlali to come back with the chance. Let's come back, you know, because either way, no one's gonna complain as team. At the end of the day, they stand. It's more like getting a red card and they're open to complain. It's not happening whereby Bazo keep your red card. But no, it happens. So the Senegal does not supposed to do like that, you know.
Yeah, but any that we have to mention, it's the fact that it looked like the referee was treating them unfairly throughout the game. I think there was
so they were fed up.
Yes, they were fed up, where they said that I know, but they were taking the matter into their own hands.
Yeah,
which is not right. Yeah, man. I want us to touch on Morocco just a minute or so. Morocco, I think it was their first loss. In fact, their first goal that they conceded on open play match last year.
Yeah.
So this tells you that it was a team that was hard to beat. If you can just give your honest opinion in this tournament, with Morocco, how did they do?
No, they are not a bad team, mina. Abayona bad team. Ukuthi nje banalento yabo lenengayithandi yokufuna ukuwinelwa ama-game abo-ref. Yabo nalokuprovoke ama-opponent. Angiyithandi leyo.
Bazizwa ngathi
yes, must protect them. Yes. It's like yabona umuntu ozibona abalulekile in-event. Ngathi it's about us. If it's not us, then no one else, you know.
Yeah.
But then, as much as you are saying they've conceded a goal, that still tells you that Senegal wanted it more, regardless of not having fans anabo, you know. It shows you that Senegal be full. Hence they managed to score, you know.
Yeah. I wanted us to also touch on Morocco in terms of because it was number 1 against number 2.
Yeah.
And we cannot deny the fact that Morocco is
number 1,
a better team.
Yeah.
In terms of like the way they develop, because a lot of players now you will find out that they come from Morocco, especially those European teams. You know, shows that they are doing good, and the investment that they put in to actually get some cup at some point. Just didn't happen yesterday, but yeah, shout out to Morocco. I just don't want to discredit them.
Yeah,
whatever happened, it was just a game.
Yeah,
at the end of the day. Yeah, man. Moving forward. Siyabuya phela manje.
Oh yeah. PSL is back. PSL is back.
Yeah.
But before we go to PSL, let's just give a shout out to ICAF for it was a very good tournament, you know. No matter those moments that we don't like, but it's part of the game. So a big shout out to ICAF. It was a very peaceful and nice tournament for me.
Yeah. Even the standard of football that was played.
Yeah.
On another level.
Yeah.
We like to see that. Shout out to our president, Patrice Motsepe.
Yeah.
We're proud of you, my man. Imagine me calling an older president my man. Yeah, we're proud of you.